Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about the new plugin UnIdentifyWP. So what this plugin does. So if you want to hide your plugin and theme from the page source, then this plugin is for you. So what does it mean by hide plugin and themes from the source? So this is my WordPress site. I have opened this page. And when you do inspect element or view page source, you will see the list of plugin or theme you are using in the source, like this plugins, then this plugin name, then themes, then theme name, this folder WP content, etc. So what this plugin does, this plugin provides an option to rename the WP content folder, then the plugins folder, themes folder, and each plugin name folder and theme name folder as well, so that whenever anyone view source from your site, they won't be able to see which plugin or theme you are using exactly. This will be helpful for security purpose for your site. It's not really necessary, but if anyone doesn't want to reveal what plugin or theme they are using on the WordPress site, then that they can use this plugin. So let's activate this plugin. So this plugin has a free trial of 7 days, so you can use it. I have already installed the plugin, and now let's activate this. So I'm gonna activate this. I already got the license. So once you activate this, it will directly redirect you to the setting page. So what this plugin really do, it doesn't rename the folder from the disk. It just rename it via URL masking using Nginx rule or htaccess rules. So yeah, if your site is running on Apache server, then you just have to save the setting and everything will be done as expected. But if your site is running on Nginx server, then you have to provide this list of rules to your hosting provider and ask them to add it on your Nginx server configuration. Then only you will be able to use this plugin for Nginx. So this is currently on Apache server, so we don't need to worry about this. So let's see what this plugin provides. So the plugin provides renaming of the folder names. So let's say you want to change the folder name of WP content. I want to use that as a core. Plugins will be called as modules, themes will be called as views. And I'm gonna save this setting. Then it will allow only renaming the active plugins. As soon as you activate any new plugin, it will add the list over here, and initially it will be with some random string. You can change it as per your requirement. You can regenerate it as well. You can change it by your own, like this. Once you do this, just don't forget to save settings. If anything goes wrong, you can just simply deactivate the plugin and everything will be back as it is. So now the folder name of WP content is called core. I'm gonna refresh this page and I'm gonna view this page source, and then I'm gonna copy this plugin name, comment mention, and I will try to search this. So as you can see, it changed the link of that plugin, which is like WordPress. This is my site URL. Then core is WP content folder. Then modules is the plugin folder, and this is the plugin name. So yeah, and this plugin doesn't change the actual folder. It just rewrites the rule so that if you do page source, you won't be able to see the actual plugin name in the page source. So yeah, this is how the plugin works. I'm gonna provide the link of this plugin in the description section, and yeah, it has 7 days trial period. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.